What's up, amigos? Welcome to another unboxing. Well, not unboxing, you call it unwrapping here on the Ink Buildup. Okay, so my little package finally arrived. And before I get started, I want to give a big thanks to, I believe his name is Henry, who helped me with this from Instagram. So I really appreciate your help. And this is something that actually been needed for my shop because it's something I've been missing, which will come in handy. So let's get to the table so I could finally open this and unwrap it. Okay, so let's get started on unwrapping this. And it was pretty fast. I ordered this on Thursday. It was shipped on Friday and arrived today, which is Monday. Pretty fast. So, unfortunately, I don't have my cutter. I have to use a little nail. Okay, any of you guys guess what it is? I just have to think to open it. Yeah, you gotta read the instructions. Tear preparation to open. Oh, here it is. Yes, finally. It's a laser temp gun. I've been wanting this from the very start, but I was never really sure which to buy one, because there are some cheap ones, but I didn't want to buy the cheapest one. And it's something I really wanted, this kind. But luckily someone was able to give me a hand and chip me and save me so I could buy this. Battery inside, oh thank you. That I can actually test this. I already have the flash on, so I could be warming up while I'm wrapping this. I could test it out. So this is the one I bought. This is battery inside removed plastic wrapper for batteries. 9-volt battery. How do you put it back inside? I don't damage the wires. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, read this. All it says is that to press to turn it on. So, then again, it has to convert it. You can either use Fahrenheit or Celsius. And I understand Fahrenheit better because I did grow up in Phoenix, which is in the US, where they use the metric system, and here in Mexico they use nothing but Celsius. I'm starting to get used to it. I don't fully understand it, but for the Cure ink, I know it's 150 Celsius. And I just looked at it right now, in Fahrenheit that's between, I don't know, like 300, 330 or 300, 350 Fahrenheit to cure SSO ink. But I know here a lot of people, they prefer staying at 150 Celsius. And since I'm living here in Mexico, I gotta keep it at Celsius. Since I'm getting used to it, I don't want to get confused. So, let's go to the flash dryer to test it out. Just so I can see exactly up to what temperature my little flash dryer goes up to, because it doesn't have a how do you say, like a durometer to, you know, low, medium, high, nothing. So let's test it out because I'm curious to see how hot that thing gets. Okay, amigos, so I have the flash dryer already hot and ready. It's been on like for around 15 minutes. And I got a shirt here that I actually did the test print for this one, but I didn't do the fully cure. I'm gonna test it with this one. And usually when I know when it's ready, when it's fully cured, it's when I start seeing smoke. That's when I feel more confident that it's cured, because when I'm curing, I still get that doubt that in me that it's not fully cured and I feel like it's gonna wash off. So I give it more time and I just wait till the smoke starts coming out. But I'm pretty sure that it gets cured before that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure to 330 and I'm gonna see how long it takes. Alright, so get my little timer. Start. Okay, 331, stop. It took 27 seconds. I'm gonna keep measuring until I actually start seeing smoke. So I couldn't know exactly up to what temperature I usually tend to go to. So right now it's 342, 340, 341. I feel like it's ready. Right now it's 359. No, I didn't see the smoke. So I'm pretty sure I'm over curing it. Okay, time to see smoke. 375. Alright, amigos. So I got done my little test. So, like I mentioned, when I used to cure my shirts, what I usually do is I wait till I start seeing smoke. Because right there, I feel more confident that it's fully cured, because when you see smoke, that's when it's cured. Because I still get that, how do you say it? I still doubt myself that it's cured. So I'll wait for me to be extra sure that it's fully cured. I'll wait till I start seeing smoke. But I feel like I kind of over exaggerate. So the good thing, this came in handy. Because I was looking at it, I was measuring it. And let's say that to fully cure pastel ink, anywhere between 300 and 330 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit, my bad. I tested. It only took 27 seconds for it to reach 330. And usually it would take a long time when I'm curing my shirts. Like you saw when I was doing it, when I was doing for the smoke, it took a long time. So now I know that it should only take me around 30 seconds to cure the shirt. So no more longer do I need to over exaggerate, because that's what I usually do. Because waiting until you actually start seeing smoke, it's kind of risky, because if I over cure it, the shirt starts to burn. You start seeing like little yellow burn mark, and that's not bad on black shirts, on color shirts, but on white garments, it's very noticeable. And I don't want to risk, because the last thing I want to do is burn a shirt and I have to print another one. So yeah, so now I know 30 seconds. So amigos, well, seems about that's it for today's video. Again, I gotta give a big thanks to Henry from Instagram for being so generous in order for me to get this, because it's something I've been wanting from the very beginning when I started screen printing. I was even thinking about buying one off of Wish.com because it was so cheap, but I decided not to, because I didn't want it to break down. Because like they say, you get what you pay for, and luckily I got help to get this one, because this one, it looks really good quality. Seems gonna last a long time. So I'm really thankful for this. So if you haven't, or if you're new, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Instagram, like my Facebook page. Questions, leave in the comments below. And I really find a better way to end these videos. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time.